Hyundai revealed the details and specs of the all-new IONIQ 6. This 4.85 meters long model sits on the eGMP platform. It is available with a range of drive motors and battery packs to fit the needs of every customer. The long-range 77.4 kWh battery can be paired with two electric motor layouts, either the rear-wheel drive or the all-wheel drive. The top-of-the-line dual-motor setup is an all-wheel drive option, producing a combined power output of 239 kilowatts and 605 Newton meters of torque. Acceleration from 0 to 100 only takes 5.1 seconds. Other option is the 53 kWh standard battery. IONIQ 6 also has the vehicle-to-load function that allows customers to charge any electric devices. Speaking about the range, IONIQ 6 offers up to 610 km of range on a single charge by WLTP standard. With a 350 kW charger, IONIQ 6 can be charged from 10% to 80% in just 18 minutes. Tell me in the comments, how do you like this car and what do you think about the specs, and subscribe for more.